Hello everyone, welcome once again to another Golden Insights. We're going to give another quick update on this dahlia bed you've been following all the way through the season, from our pre-amend before we had shoots growing to here we are, buds set, flowers opening, and we're ready for a little more food. We're going to hit them with another batch of bloom, but we're also going to jump in to the Imperial Boost, give them a phosphorus and potassium bump to get those flowers really just as bold and beautiful as we possibly can and really keep them coming. We're going to start cutting flowers off this as soon as they're ready, bringing them inside, spreading cheer through the neighborhood. We want to do that as long as possible, so we're going to get the Imperial Boost involved. We're going to mix up the Imperial Boost on the lighter side today. We're making some tea with the Crown Jewels Bloom, and we're going to add the Boost. Here on the package, we're saying 1 to 2 tablespoons per gallon for teas. So a quarter cup is about 4 tablespoons. I'm going to give each of these 5-gallon buckets a quarter cup to mix in with this Crown Jewels Bloom. We'll mix it with some water and get it right on these plants. So you can see that this is a pretty dusty product because it's milled down super fine so it can be readily assimilated by the plants in the soil. The microorganisms can tear it up, bring it into functional nutrient for the plant. We're just going to mix these up. Remember folks, biology is the ingredient in your garden that keeps on giving.